Hello students, our question says, the volume of the rectangular pyramid is 342 cubic inches. The height of the pyramid is 15 inches. What is the area of the base? Okay, so let's identify our important information. And it says the shape is a rectangular pyramid. And it says the volume is 342 cubic inches. In my next sentence, they talk about a different measurement. Now they talk about the height. And they said it's 15 inches. So the height is always the distance between the tip of the pyramid and its base. So this is the 15 they mentioned. Now let's see what they want. They want the area of the base. What is the area of the base? I choose pink, and this is the base of the pyramid. I'm highlighting the base of the pyramid in pink. It's gonna be all of this. And the area of the base, always we use a capital B, so we can talk about the area of the base of any three-dimensional shape. For elaborate, what I'm gonna do is color coding and the formula chart. So the formula that we're gonna be using is this formula of the pyramid. I'm gonna copy my formula here on the left side. And says that the volume of a pyramid is volume equals 1/3 of the area of the base times the height. And I'm gonna rewrite it because I believe it looks friendlier in this other way. The area of the base times the height and then divided by 3. Now, I want to point out that the volume we're using the blue. The area of the base was said has to be the base of the pyramid, which in this case is a rectangle. So let me erase that. This needs to be a rectangle. There is a rectangle here. There. This 1/3 is this 1/3. This area of the base needs to be a rectangle. So we need to figure the area of this rectangle here. And the height is given, and it's given in green, like this. See? Okay, now let's see if we can start doing substitution. So instead of having the variable, we're gonna start plugging in our numbers. The volume is given. So instead of this V, we can write that 342. The area of the base is actually what we're looking for, so it's just gonna stay like that, and that's the area of the base. The height is given is 15, so I'm gonna write times 15, and then we have a 3. Great. We can simplify if possible. See how we have these guys here? 15 divided by 3. Can we work it out? Of course. 15 divided by 3 is gonna be a 5. So I'm gonna copy the other numbers. The 342 must be equals to the area of the base times 15 divided by 3 that we said is gonna be a 5. And I'm gonna put this red around so you can see that I got it from here. That 342, I got it from the volume that was given right here. And this is the one that we're looking for. We're gonna do inverse operations because we're trying to solve for this variable right here. The opposite of multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. And if we divide by a number on the right side of the equation, we have to do the same thing on the other side. See these guys? So 5 divided by 5, this will reduce to a number 1. 5 divided by itself is going to be a 1. So we have to work out this division. Let's write it on the side. 342, the long division is this division here. And then I'm going to put the 5 right here. And the 342 is going to be the volume. Let's divide. Can I divide 5 into 3? No, 3 is smaller than 5. That's why we cannot have any answer here. Now I'm going to take another digit. I'm going to get up to 34. 5 times what is close to 34 or exactly 34? And the answer is 6 because 6 times 5 is 30. Now we're going to subtract. If I have 30 and I need to reach up to 34, I need 4 more units. I'm going to bring down the next digit, which is a 2. 5 into 42. And that's going to be an 8 because 8 times 5 is a 40. We do our subtraction. 42 minus 40, that is 2 units. Great. We already finished all the digits, but I have a reminder. If I want to keep dividing, I'm going to identify where my decimal point is. On 342, if you don't see any decimal point because there was no decimal point, what is it really? It is behind the 2. Great. So then this decimal point needs to go to the top. Now, because we already have a decimal point, we can add a 0. And the 0 will go down. Great. So now 5 into 20, and that's going to be a 4. 5 times 4, that's 20. Awesome. So now we have no remainder. See that, guys? When I divided 342 by 5, we got 68.4 equals to the capital B, that is the area of the base that we've been looking for. Can you see this value in the answer choices? Awesome. So I'm going to put this here so we can identify it, guys. And then the units, we're working with inches, and the capital B is area. So then this will be square inches. And the answer, it is letter D. Awesome. Thank you so much.